Guide to Secure Online Shopping.
Have you ever worried about the security of your online purchasing experience? It's a thought-provoking question. After all, potential hazards lurk around every corner in the broad digital marketplace. But don't worry, because we'll go over a step-by-step instruction on how to shop safely online today. Always use reliable websites. Amazon and eBay, for example, have implemented security precautions. They not only provide a diverse range of items, but also operate as a safety net for your transactions. However, if you're going to a lesser-known site, double-check their legitimacy.
Look for HTTPS in the URL, which indicates a safe connection, and read user reviews regarding the site's dependability.
Check that your device is secure. Whether it's a desktop computer, a tablet, or a smartphone, be sure it has up-to-date antivirus software. This software operates as a protective shield, shielding you from dangerous spyware or viruses that could damage your personal information. Be wary of deals that appear to be too good to be true. If an offer appears to be overly generous, it is most certainly a hoax. Always remember that if anything appears to be too good to be true, it most likely is. Instead of a debit card, use a credit card. Credit cards typically provide greater consumer protection. If a fraudulent transaction occurs, it is easy to challenge the charges with the bank. Never share unnecessary personal information online. To do business, retailers do not need to know your birthday or government-issued ID number. The less information you submit, the less likely it is that it will be stolen. What if your online financial user ID and password are both stolen? The ramifications might vary from unlawful transactions to identity theft. This is why it is critical to respond fast. Contact your bank, reset your passwords, and keep an eye on your accounts for any strange activity. So, how can such cyber attacks be avoided? To begin, never save your credit or bank card information on websites. Although it is convenient, it is also a goldmine for hackers. Second, for each online account, generate strong, unique passwords, and activate two-factor authentication whenever available to add an extra layer of security. Third, beware of websites that sell cheap imitation products that are labeled as originals. Fourth, when visiting a website, make sure the spelling of the web address is correct. For example, a fake Nike website might be www.n1k.com instead of www.nike.com. And finally, be careful of unknown emails that link you to shopping websites, as they might be malicious. The link that you click might download malware or steal your credit card and personal information. To summarize, secure internet buying boils down to the following basic points. Stick to reliable websites, protect your gadgets, and be wary of discounts that seem too good to be true. Use credit cards, restrict the amount of personal information you share, and be diligent in protecting your online accounts. Remember that cyber threats are both real and ongoing. However, with these pointers in hand, you can navigate the digital marketplace with confidence and peace of mind. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a safe and fun shopping experience.